Black Sheep Innovations stands out with its unique and creative approach to solutions in the off-road segment, prioritizing quality. Their products are designed, developed, and manufactured entirely in Switzerland, ensuring the highest standards. While their standard products are produced in small series and often limited quantities, they pride themselves on being different from the herd. One of Black Sheep's innovative offerings is their storage system that utilizes the previously unused space behind the taillights of certain pickup trucks. This system can accommodate food, water, sports gear, fishing rods, and even firearms, keeping everything safe from water and dust. The smart design prevents accidental opening while driving, allowing the taillights to function fully. Additionally, Black Sheep offers rear light drawers that capitalize on the unused storage space inside the pickup bed. These drawers run the entire length of the flatbed and sit in a hidden area right behind the taillights. They are currently available for Volkswagen Amarok and Toyota Hilux trucks. However, the only drawback might be the price, as the system for the Toyota Hilux comes at $3,700. The Aero X truck cap by Michigan Vehicle Solutions is a game-changing and innovative take on traditional truck bed caps. Unlike conventional caps, the Aero X features a hatchback, aerodynamic design with smooth, expertly finished surfaces and an OEM-level painted finish. This gives trucks an inspired, fastback look that instantly stands out from the crowd. Despite its fresh, breathtaking styling, the Aero X does not compromise on functionality. It provides full access to the truck bed while offering complete security with lockable features. The integrated rear window louver adds to the modern aesthetics while providing sun protection without obstructing rear-view visibility. Currently available for the 2015 and newer Ford F-150 with 5.5 or 6.5 footbeds, the Aero X starts at $3,995 and includes body-match paint, fixed side windows, and the louver. More truck models from Ford, Chevrolet, Ram, Toyota, and Nissan will be supported soon. The integrated rear window louver adds to the modern aesthetics while providing sun protection without obstructing rear-view visibility. You can further enhance your Aero X with add-ons like a tilt front slider window for easy cleaning, an integrated speaker system for tailgating, and a carpeted headliner. Overall, the Aero X reimagines the purely functional truck cap as a design feature that boosts aerodynamics and styling in a fresh, modern way. The Ford Flexible Rack System, designed for the next-generation Ford Ranger, is an ingenious solution developed by Ford's Australian division that simplifies the transportation of longer items. Tailored to meet customer preferences and drawing comparisons to a Swiss Army knife, the FFRS has been dubbed a standout feature that makes the latest Ranger the most versatile pickup ever. Whether you're carrying a ladder, timber, a door, a canoe, surfboards, bicycles, or other lengthy items like boards, the roof-mounted system is capable of handling up to 80 kilograms of dynamic load and up to 250 kilograms of static load. Thanks to the sliding FFRS element above the platform, even oversized cargo can be transported with ease. With Australians well-versed in cargo transportation, as evidenced by the Outback truckers, it's no surprise that Ford has applied for patents on this hit innovation that has customers covered for all their hauling needs. Assembling the rack and roll bike or motorcycle carrier can be an exciting adventure. The rack and roll is designed to carry bikes or motorcycles securely by attaching it to your vehicle's hitch receiver. If assembling solo, it might take some finesse, but with two people, it's a piece of cake. For bikes, once the carrier is securely attached, lift your bike while lining up the square bar to go into the hitch receiver to load it. For motorcycles, the rack and roll system is designed for moving them off-road. It's quick, straightforward, and rebellious, just like real rock and roll. The unique mix of turnbuckles, brackets, and chocks caught many experts off guard, but the rack and roll performs flawlessly. You can pull off all sorts of stunts without worrying about the motorcycle falling off. Plus, the sports version can handle up to 275 kilograms, which is enough for a couple of Euro motorcycles or a superbike with very low ground clearance. One person can easily use the rack and roll thanks to the front wheel lock that keeps the bike or motorcycle steady while securing it. There's only one catch. The RAM attachment is sold separately and costs $395, but it does come with lighting. Happy riding! Boxtamer is a clever and practical solution that allows truck owners to better organize and secure cargo in their truck beds. This innovative, adjustable design divides the truck bed into two separate sections, making it easier to compartmentalize and manage different items. By sectioning off the space, Boxtamer prevents belongings from shifting around and getting mixed up during transport. This provides improved organization and security, which is a major benefit for those who frequently haul various gear, tools, equipment, and other cargo. Boxtamer features a telescopic, adjustable design that can fit any truck model on the market by extending down to a minimum of 45.5 inches. This adjustability ensures it can accommodate and optimize the cargo area of different truck sizes, priced at $112. The BedLock system is a brand name for an innovative cargo divider system designed to optimize storage in various vehicles, including trucks, SUVs, and vans. The BedLock system incorporates adjustable and removable liner along with divider walls. These dividers can be customized to create compartments of various sizes within the cargo area. You can configure it to fit your specific needs, even creating compartments as small as 6 inches by 12 inches. The system includes a protective liner that safeguards your cargo and keeps it organized. BedLock's motto is to respect your truck. Their system aims to enhance cargo organization and protect your vehicle. Initially offered for a 1.7-meter-long truck bed at $400, the BedLock system faced challenges during its Kickstarter campaign. However, the company persevered and now offers the system for $499. BoxAM is a revolutionary pickup truck storage system designed to optimize every aspect of your truck bed. It features an innovative mechanical arm that allows the storage boxes to be transported and handled quickly without risk of injury. The system helps you control and access your truck storage without extra effort while maintaining ergonomics, ample storage capacity, and full use of the truck bed space. Unlike many difficult-to-access truck containers on the market, BoxAM's containers easily move from one end of the truck bed to the other in just 12 seconds using the mechanical arm. The waterproof containers can handle a maximum load of 122 kilograms, 269 pounds. The system's interesting design allows for easy installation by one person. While primarily intended for container storage and not functioning as a crane, BoxAM does offer the ability to partially disassemble when needed to transport larger items like a quad. To reserve this innovative storage solution, customers can pre-order BoxAM for $100. Easy Hitch Step offers innovative folding step solutions to easily access the truck bed or RV, even with the tailgate up or down. Their top-tier version is designed for full-size pickup trucks and can support up to 136 kilograms, 300 pounds. It features a unique 3-step stair design made of durable steel with 38 centimeters, 15-inch wide steps to provide comfort and stability. The steps simply insert into any standard 2-inch receiver hitch and secure with a 5/8-inch locking clip. To use, just pull the release handle up and lower the steps. This 3-step design helps reduce strain on your knees and ankles compared to climbing up on the bumper or using aftermarket single-step designs. You can even keep your tailgate down and use the bottom step to stand up into the truck bed. When done, simply lift the bottom step to fold and lock the stairs in place. Easy Hitch Step is highly versatile and can be used on tow trucks, campers, utility trucks, or any high-clearance cargo vehicle in addition to full-size pickups. It offers a practical and revolutionary solution for loading/unloading with ease. The mini stairs version is available for purchase at $626. The Pierce Dump Bed Kit offers a convenient solution for transforming your truck into a high-capacity, easily maneuverable dump truck. This kit allows you to convert your standard pickup truck bed into a functional small dump bed, similar to those found on dump trucks. Manufactured in Texas, USA, using high-quality materials and exacting standards, the Pierce Dump Bed Kit offers a convenient solution for transforming your truck into a high-capacity, easily maneuverable dump truck. With a lifting capacity of 4,000 pounds, this kit enhances your work truck's effectiveness at home or on the job site, allowing you to haul and easily unload materials like gravel, soil, mulch, debris, or other heavy loads. The kit includes a dump bed hinge assembly that allows the truck bed to tilt or pivot for dumping action, a hydraulic pump and reservoir system to power the lifting and lowering of the bed, a control system with switches and wiring to operate the hydraulics, and additional mounting hardware for a secure installation. Most installations can be completed in less than a day, allowing you to promptly get back to work. Priced at $1,695, the Pierce Dump Bed Kit provides a reliable solution for maximizing your pickup truck's potential while preserving the original appearance of the vehicle. The Load It Rear Boat Loader is an ingenious device that simplifies the process of loading and unloading your boat. With the push of a button, the rear boat loader does all the work for you. Back up to the water, use the wireless remote, and watch as your boat gracefully slides down and gently rotates until it sits on the water, ready for you to get in. No climbing, struggling, or wrestling required. The rear boat loader restores independence to those with limited mobility or back problems. It's stress-free and efficient, rain or shine. Made from lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum, it can handle boats up to 16 feet long and 400 pounds. Equipped with a wireless remote control system, it effortlessly lowers your boat into the water with the push of a button. Load It offers a range of automatic loaders, including options for different vehicle size and watercraft types, all aimed at making water adventures hassle-free for anglers and leisure boaters alike. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a leisure boater, the rear boat loader makes your water adventures hassle-free.